Hello teacher. Use Google Slides voice type speaker notes feature to dictate your presentation's content if you ever find yourself in a situation where typing is time consuming while creating a presentation. To begin, select the slide for which you want to add speaker notes, then go to Tools and click on Voice Type Speaker Notes. If you want to change the language, the drop-down arrow can help you. Then click on the microphone icon. If you haven't already allowed Google to use your microphone, you may see a pop-up asking for access. Then click Allow. And it starts recording your voice and providing a transcript. To turn it off, click the microphone icon again. This feature on Google Slides can enhance the presentation by allowing hands-free, efficient, and engaging delivery, creating dynamic learning experiences. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.